Good day, year ones. Today's Wednesday, which means we're 2 sleepies away from the weekend. Okay, let's start with our English word. So that means you have to have your English back in front of you. First things first, you have to practice your spelling, okay? Because you're writing your spelling quiz on Friday. So for your spelling, you go through your spelling words and you write them under Wednesday. You write all your words in your best handwriting. Okay, so you do that. And while you do that, you pause this video. Okay, so let's see what we have planned or in store for us for Wednesday. So the very first thing you need to do is okay? So just look at the worksheet. Let me make it bigger. Okay, we are working with magic E, okay? Add a magic E. Read each word again. Okay, so I'll read it for you. Cap. But if you add the magic E, it makes it cape. Can. If you add the E, it makes it cane. Okay? Tap, as in a water tap. If you add the E, it makes it tape. Mat. Add your E and it becomes mate. Pan. Add the E and it becomes pain. Okay? And unscramble, oops, sorry about that. Unscramble the letters, okay. Use letters to make senseful words, okay. For instance, this first one is bake, okay. So we're still working with the magic E, B, A, K, A, to bake. Number 2, I'll give you number 2 and the rest you have to do on your own. Number 2 is gate. Okay? I'll give you a hint. Most of these words, if not all, end with the magic E. Okay. Then we move on to the next part of this activity where you write the missing letters. Okay. Here you've got a piece of something, something yummy, something sweet. Okay? This is cake. So curly k, a, e. Okay? So that it spells out cake. Okay. Here you've got game, rake. And I will stop here with the answers. Okay, so look at the pictures. Okay. And write in the missing letters. Okay. For today. So for our maths for today, let's see what we have in store. Okay, today is Wednesday. So we are looking at money. Look at, now count and write down the number of triangles on each coin. Okay, so you've got a 5 cent. If you go down, just look at this page over here. I'll zoom it in. If you look closely, they triangles. I need you to count how many triangles are on. Okay, if this is not visible to you, you can't see properly, just ask your mommy or your daddy for a coin, okay, or these coins, but remember to give it back and do not put it in your mouth. So count the triangles on each coin. Okay, that is what you have to do for your maths. So you count the triangles and you write them in the boxes just in here. Then I buy things and get change. I buy a coin cents. I pay 20 cents. The sum is 20 cents minus 10 cents. Okay. Remember, minus is always going that way. Look where the point is showing you. Is always going that way. It's going forward. Okay. So, what you have to do is 20 minus 10. Find that answer and write it in there. And you have to do the same for the sweetie, balloons, and some more sweeties. Okay, this last one becomes slightly tricky, but I know you'll be okay doing this. Okay, and if you struggle, ask your mommy or your daddy to call me. Okay, now onto our science for today. Wednesday science. Hafiz is in his bedroom. Ooh, we're looking at darkness. It is quite dark in his bedroom, but there is some light. Can you see how light is getting in? Either yes or no. Yeah, this picture was purposely made dark, okay? But you can see some light. If you can, write yes. If you can't, write no. When there is very little or no light, we say it is dark. We need some light to see. It is dark in his cave. The man has a torch. The torch makes light so he can see. That is it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's activities and see you again tomorrow. Bye.